Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern Eid-al-Adha poster design in Photoshop. First, create a new document using these dimensions. Go to the File menu, select Place Embedded, choose your image, and place it into the document. Adjust its size and position accordingly. Next, go to the Select menu and choose Subject. Press Ctrl+J to create a copy of the selected subject on a new layer. Hide the subject layer for now. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a long rectangular bar. Add a dashed stroke to the rectangle and set the fill color to none. Create a new blank layer. Again, select the Rectangle tool and draw a small shape here. Change its stroke to a normal solid line. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the rectangle shape. Remove the stroke. Apply a dark gray fill color. And drag this layer slightly downward. Select both layers and press Ctrl+G to group them. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the group. Drag the duplicated square to the right corner. Now select both rectangle groups, hold the Alt key again, and drag them to the bottom. Select all the groups, right-click on them, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Select the image layer. Go to the Adjustments panel and choose Black and White. Apply the settings shown on the screen. Then go to Filter Gallery. Choose the glass effect and use these settings. Again, go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Set the blur amount to 7.5. Add noise to the image for a textured effect. Hold the Control button and click on the rectangle layer for the selection lines. Select the image layer and press Ctrl+J for layer via copy. Drag this layer above the black and white layer, and unhide the subject layer. Add a layer mask to the subject layer. Hold the Control button and click on the rectangle layer again. Then go to the Select menu and choose Inverse. Use the Brush tool to erase the unwanted area. Switch to the Selection tool, right-click, and choose Deselect. Now add a layer mask to the rectangle layer. Use the Brush tool again to erase this line area. I have this Photoshop toolbar image. Place it into the design here. I also have this text settings image, place it here as well. Select the Type tool and add Eid-related text. Follow the text settings shown on the screen. I already prepared some text earlier, so place it into the design. Finally, add a solid color adjustment layer. Change its blend mode to hue and drag the layer downward in the Layers panel. This will allow you to easily change the colors of the design. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.